Today we start chapter number 2, acids, bases and salts. First topic is concepts of acids and bases. Acids are derived from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. So acids are sour in taste. Acid turns blue litmus paper to red. Acids conduct electric current in aqueous medium, such as when HCl dissolved in water, it dissociated into hydrogen ion and chloride ion. So here HCl dissociated into ions. It is converted into ions, and due to formation of these ions, it conduct electric current. Acids changes color of acid-base indicator. Indicators are those substances which shows completion of reaction. Or indicators are those substances which gives color change at the end of the reaction during acid-base titration. And we will study these acid-base titration in this year. We perform different experiments about these acid-base titration in lab in this year. Acids are very corrosive. They destroy fabric and they cause burn on skin. So acids destroy both fabric and skin. Bases are those substances which gives hydroxide ion when dissolved in water, or metal hydroxides are metal oxides when react with acids, they produce salt and water. So bases are metal hydroxides and metal oxides. When react with the acids, they produce salt and water. Bases are also known as alkalis. Alkalis are water soluble base. So water soluble bases are also known as the alkalis. For example, NaOH, it dissociated into the water into sodium ion and hydroxide ion. So those substances which give hydroxide ion when dissolved in water, these are known as alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Alkalis, as group 1 and group 2 elements, are known as alkali and alkaline earth metals. So these metals form hydroxides, and their hydroxides are basic in nature. So that's why all alkalis are basic in nature. But all bases are not alkalis. Other elements other than these group 1 and group 2 metals are also bases. So they are not called alkalis. Still they are bases. For example, here alkalis are bases such as sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. All these alkalis are also called bases. And other bases such as copper hydroxide, zinc hydroxide, they are not known as the alkalis. Bases have bitter taste and feel soapy touch. As these bases are used, such as sodium hydroxide is used for the preparation of soap. When the sodium hydroxide react with the fatty acid, it produces sodium salt of fatty acids, and these sodium salt of fatty acids are known as the soaps. The sodium salt of fatty acids are known as soap, so they have soapy touch. Bases turns red litmus paper to blue. Bases changes the color of acid-base indicator. These indicators, which are methyl orange and phenolphthalein, these are used basically in acid-base titration, and they give color change at the end of reaction and shows the completion of reaction, which we will study in lab. Bases are corrosive. They also destroy the skin. Bases conduct electric current when dissolved in water. such as sodium hydroxide. When dissolved in water, it produces sodium ion and hydroxide ion. So bases are also called electrolytes because they are dissociated into ions and conduct electric current.